electromagnetic effect. In morning class, we have learned how to make an electromagnet last time. So now, we know the differences between magnet and electromagnet. Do you know what is it? Very good. It is a current. Do you think it is a magnet or an electromagnet? So if it is a magnet, it doesn't need wires, it doesn't need batteries, and it doesn't need iron rod. A magnet can attract things for a long, long time, that it always have the magnetic force. And the magnetic field is always from a north pole to a south pole. But if it is an electromagnet, it needs wires, it needs batteries, it needs iron rod. And it can only attract things when you switch on. And the magnetic force will be changed when the current changes. Now, let's see if it is magnetic or an electromagnet. So here, we also have the batteries Here we have the wires, and we have the wires here. And here is the iron. Here we also have the iron. So if today we want to attract a bigger iron band, what can we do to gain more magnetic force? So how many paper clips can 2 batteries attract? Jamie, how do you think can? Good job. Well, about 6 batteries. Andy, 100? Okay, let's see. Before the experiment, let's say if the battery holder are series connection or parallel connection. Amy, you think it is series connection. Why? Yes, because different sides connect together just like this picture. So it is a series connection. Now we're going to do the experiment. Be careful. Rule number 1, 1 person at one time. Rule number 2, when it is your turn, say, it is my turn. And in the experiment, remember to switch on. And the wire and the batteries will be very hot.
Now let's see how many paper clips will be attracted by 2 batteries. So first of all, we have to switch on. Now let's see how many paper clips can be attracted. Here we got 1, 2, and 3. Now let's see how many paper clips will be attracted.
So onto your worksheet, write down 3. Now let's see how many paper clips.
Rupa, 你的声音太小了。
How many? Oh, attracted by 6 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first of all, you have to switch on. And then, wow, it seems a lot. Okay.
So how many paper clips can 6 batteries attract? Amy? Very good, there are 23 paper clips. Therefore, no, more batteries can attract more paper clips. Amy, it's your turn. Amy.
有，我在开了。
Good morning, class. Look, what's this? Yes, it's a magnet. Magnet can attract iron items. And what's this? It's a crayon. It's a special crayon. Remember the experiment we did with teacher Rupa? Yes, This crayon can attract paper clips. This crayon can attract iron items. It's called an electromagnet. 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 Electromagnet can attract iron items too. Why? Group 3 said, because it has magnetic force. Okay, let's take a closer look at electromagnet. Electromagnet is a kind of magnet. It's a special magnet. It's made by battery, iron rod, and wire. Battery provides electricity. Remember, current creates magnetism. Electricity runs through the wire, like this, and magnetizes the iron rod. So it becomes an electromagnet. Electromagnet can attract iron items. Okay, let's make a comparison between the regular magnet and electromagnet. The left-hand side is a regular magnet, and the right-hand side is an electromagnet. They have something in common, right? Does anyone want to share? Okay. Linda said both of them can attract iron items. Yes, Jeff said both of them have North Pole and South Pole. What's the difference between them? I'll give you 1 minute to discuss with your group members. Time's up. Does any group want to share their ideas? Electromagnet needs electricity. Yes. And group 4 said the magnetic force of the electromagnetic is not fixed. So, let's fill out the form. Can electromagnet attract iron items? Yes, it can attract iron items. Does it have poles? Yes, it has North Pole and South Pole. Does it need electricity? Yes, it needs electricity. The magnetic force of the electromagnet is changeable. Great! All of you tried very hard. I love that. We say that electromagnet is very special. What makes electromagnet so special? Think about that. Why this is so special? Group 2 said it needs electricity. And Group 4 said it can be turned on and off. Yes, we can turn the electromagnet on and off. Group 5 said we can turn up and turn down the power of the electromagnet. So we said that we can turn up or turn down the power of the electromagnet. But how? How can we make this electromagnet more powerful? How can we make the magnetic force stronger? Yes, Group 1 said we can have more batteries and connect them like this. So it provides more electricity. How about the coils? Yes, more coils can attract more paper clips. The more coils it has, the more powerful it will be. How about the size of the iron rod? Yes, the bigger the size, the stronger the power. Excellent. You did an excellent job. Give yourself a big hand. Now next time, we are going to find the antpole of the electromagnet. Teacher Mina will help us to find the North Pole. So the North Pole is here. But why? How can we find it? Thank you.
Okay. Mina, your turn.